Okay, so this is a log video for the project I'm working on, and that project is this Bluetooth keyboard. So the idea is to create a device good for graphic designers, something that would allow an artist to not use the keyboard. It's far from actually being what it needs to be, and this is like the first prototype. So first of all, I need to pair the device. So first it needs to be found by the iPad. Then I can pair with it. Yeah, so this demo is about using it with Procreate. So that's because I'm having trouble with pairing the device with Windows. And that's a bug I need to fix. So for now, just for fun, I have created a simple key bindings for the device for Procreate. They are very simple, and I don't think Procreate is the best tool to show off what's the goal, but well, it's a step. So basically, the top row of the buttons of the device is bounded mostly to the letters. I don't remember exactly. I think this is B. Yeah, you can see that it changed to the brush. This is eraser. This is transform, and the last, the pinky button here, is the command button on Mac. So I can do like this button is also binded to something. I don't remember what, but just pressing this button, command, and this. Is that this one? Maybe not this one. Huh? That's weird. Okay, never mind. I don't remember the mapping. It's not that important. I guess the top row is important. So yeah, so the idea is that you don't need to use a keyboard. You have something that's not using the ideas. I mean, it will always use the idea of letters, as in B is for brush, E is for eraser, and stuff like that. Because unfortunately that's how software is written. Software is written for generic devices like keyboards or mice. Well, Procreate is written for touch screens and Apple Pencil. But so that's why I'm saying that it's not a perfect demo for this device, because Procreate is already designed for another way of input. But yeah, I mean, there's probably not that much to show in this way, as in if you press B when the brush is activated, you open the menu. But well, the idea is that I can easily draw something, press eraser button and just remove stuff, and I don't have to go to the top and just switch by clicking with the Apple Pencil. So yeah, that's basically it. You can in an easier way switch between the tools. And that's the entire idea behind this device, is to give something that's designed for designers, artists. So probably Procreate won't be like the first target. It's target for now for the demo of the prototype. But I guess I will be aiming to make it very useful for ZBrush, Blender, and stuff like that. But the idea is to just create a device that like targets this usage, as in creating art. But it's not. I want to make it open source, so anyone can hack it, change the mappings and stuff like that. There is nothing. It won't be closed source, so you will be able to change whatever you need. I mean, I totally understand that most people won't have the skills to do it, but well, in a way, this isn't a thing for most people. Yeah, So that's like a first demo for the device. I hope I will be able to solve some issues with Windows, and I will be able to test it with ZBrush and other stuff. Yeah, I think that's mostly it. That's the first step. There's still a lot to do. I really want it to be low power and wireless. So if you look underneath, it's basically a SparkFun board with a LiPo battery. I don't know what the lifespan of the device is with one charge right now. It's far from that stage of development. Yeah, it's pretty rough, still kind of falling apart. Most of it is made with plastoline, which is an amazing prototyping thing I discovered. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, hopefully I will be able to upload something new soon. Bye.